Hello everyone, I Miss Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. I hope you all are doing well. Students, earlier we have discussed some topics of chapter 7 and today also we are going to start one new topic of this chapter. Today we will learn that how can we convert decimals into percentage and how can we convert percentage into decimals. Now students, first of all let us see how can we convert decimals into percentage. But we have two methods to convert decimal number into percentage. Let us see first method. First write the decimal number in its fractional form and then convert the fraction to a percentage. Okay. So let us take one example to understand it. If we have 0.7 and we want to convert this decimal number into percentage. Okay, so let us see how can we convert this decimal number into percentage. Okay, so according to our this method beta, first of all we need to convert this decimal number into fraction and then into percentage. So you know very well that how can we convert this decimal number into fraction. Here beta we have 0.7. So to convert in fraction we have to write 0.7 as it is as a numerator, and now for this decimal point at the place of this decimal point we have to write 1, and now we have to count the number of digit after this decimal point. Here we have only one digit, so we have to write only 10. If here we have two digit, अगर यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितने digit है 2, then here we have to put 2 zeros, but here only one digit after this decimal point, so here we have to write only 10. Okay, so here beta we have 0 7 0 7 7 is a whole number, so there is no value of 0 before this whole number, so we can write 7 by 10 only. Okay, or you can erase this 0, means we can write only 7 by 10 as a fraction. Now we need to convert this fraction into percentage, and you know very well beta that how can we convert a fraction into percentage. Okay, जो अर्लियर क्लासेस थी उसमें हम सीख चुके हैं कि कैसे हम एक फ्रैक्शन को परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो हमारे पास इसके लिए है टू मेथड. एक तो क्या बताया था मैंने आपको, एक तो क्या होता है वी नीड टू राइट एन इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन बट विथ डिनोमिनेटर 100. एंड जो सेकंड मेथड था वो क्या था, इन सेकंड मेथड वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस फ्रैक्शन विथ 100. So we can use any method. So here let us do multiply this fraction with 100 to convert this fraction into percentage. So here beta we have 10 and here we have 100. So here we can cancel this last 0 to this last 0, and here we have only 7 and here 10 as a numerator, and here we have sign of multiplication. So here we have to multiply 7 with 10, and if we multiply both numbers we get 70, and now we have to put symbol of percentage with this answer. So our answer will be 70%. Okay, now beta let us see second method. What is the second method to convert a decimal into percentage? Multiply the given decimal by 100. Okay, उसमें हमने क्या किया था, उसमें हमने पहले डेसिमल नंबर को फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया था. ओके, बट इन दिस मेथड we have to multiply the given decimal by 100 only. Okay, so let us take the same example. Here we have 0.7, so here also I have written 0.7. So beta now what we will do according to second method, multiply the given decimal by 100. So now to convert this decimal number into percentage we have to multiply this decimal with 100. Okay, and we know very well that how can we multiply a decimal number directly with 100? If we multiply any decimal number with 100, then decimal point will shift. जो decimal point है बेटा वो shift हो जाएगा. कहाँ shift हो जाएगा? 2 digit to the right side. So here we have decimal point before 7. So after multiplying 100, we shift the decimal, this decimal 2 digit to the right side, means 1 and 2. After here we can write 0. Okay, this 7, and after 7 we can write so many zeros, because we know there is no value of 0 after decimal point. Okay, so here beta, if we multiply this number with 100, then our decimal point shift 2 digit to the right side, means our decimal point will come after this 0. Okay, 70 and then point, and after decimal point we don't have any digit, so we can write here 0 also. Okay, so we can write here also 0, but we know that there is no value of this 0 after this decimal point, so we can write only 70. Okay, and now we have to put symbol of percentage. So by this method also, by second method also, we will get the same answer. Okay, here 70% and here also we will get 70%. So we can use any method to convert decimal into percentage. Now students, let us take one more example. First of all, let us solve this by first method. Okay, now here beta we have 1.3 and we have to convert this decimal number into percentage. Okay, so how can we convert this decimal number into percentage? According to first method, first of all we need to convert this decimal number into fraction. Okay, so we have to write 1/3 means 13. Okay, now for this decimal point, means at this decimal point we have to write 1. Okay, at the place of this decimal point we have to write 1, and now we have to count the number of digit after this decimal point, and here we have only one digit, so here we have to write only 10. Okay, so 13 by 10 is a fraction for 1.3. Now beta, we need to convert this fraction into percentage, so we need to multiply this by 100. Okay, now here we can cut this 0 to this last 0. Okay, now here we have 13 and here 10, so we have to multiply 13 with 10 and we will get 130, and now we have to put symbol of percentage with this answer, so 130% is answer. Okay, now let us take this same example. Okay, by second method also. Here beta we have 1.3 and now we have to solve by second method. Okay, so according to second method we have to multiply this decimal number by 100. Okay, so here we have to write 1.3 and then multiply with 100. इस मेथड में हमने क्या किया बेटा, इसको हमने पहले फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया और उसके बाद 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, बट इन सेकंड मेथड डायरेक्टली हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है 100 से. ओके, एंड नाउ इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई एनी डेसिमल नंबर विद 100, देन वी शिफ्ट द डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 digit to the right side. Okay, if we multiply any decimal number with 10, then we shift the decimal point only 1 digit to the right side, and if we multiply any decimal number with 1000, then we shift the decimal point 3 digits to the right side. मीन्स किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है बेटा, जितनी हमारे पास जीरो है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 जीरो है तो 2 डिजिट ही शिफ्ट होगा राइट साइड की तरफ. ओके, सो हियर बेटा वी शिफ्ट द डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 digit to the right side. Means our decimal point will come after here only 1 digit, so here we need to write one more zero. Okay, 1 0. So our decimal point will come after this 0. Okay, so 1 3 0, and after this 0 we have to put decimal point, and here after this decimal point we don't have any digit, so here we can write 0. Okay, but beta we know there is no value of this 0 after this decimal point, so no need to write this 0. Okay, means we can write only 130. ठीक है, now we have to put symbol of percentage with this answer. Means our answer will be 130%. Okay, so by both method beta we will get the same answer. So you can use any method to convert decimal into percentage.